Alright, what's up guys? This is the tubrepairco.com. This is a finish sanding tutorial. After you let your repair cure for 24 hours, you can go back and wet sand it with our finish sanding that's included in every kit from 600 up to 3000 grit sandpaper. So watch this tutorial and then let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.
This is good, a good finish here. A little bit of overspray here. You see I've got a little dust on my hands. This will just wash off for the most part, a little bit of dust there. So we're just going to wash it, and then we're going to use our finish sand, and we're going to go ahead and finish sand it. And that's going to knock down some of this gloss and probably even blend it a little better into this tub, because this tub didn't really have a glossy finish. So this should blend it even better than it is and get rid of just a little bit of rough spots here on the sides. So we'll do that. So what I do is take a couple paper towels and we just get those real wet. So it's like fully wet there. I'm going to take the first one, the 600 grit, and go ahead and really just wet that surface down. Okay. Just get anywhere where I feel a little bit of rough area.
Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm keeping the surface thoroughly wet, and I'm using the 600 grit, lightly sanding it, just really focusing on any rough areas that I have. This is also going to knock down the gloss on your repair a little bit, so if you have a flatter finish tub, the 600 grit will make it more of a flatter finish on your repair. You can work your way up and bring that gloss back, or if you like where the gloss is at, you can really just go around the edges and keep the center, because most times you're going to have some sort of a foggier finish around the edges of your repair. That's just the nature of spraying it. So notice there I kind of reapply water, and I just keep reapplying water as I work my way up from 600 all the way up to 3000. In this example I actually only go up to 1000 grit, and that's just because it was a flat finish on the tub, so I wasn't trying to make it all glossy. Really this will help you kind of blend your repair a little bit better if you need to. So you'll see here, got a great finish, great repair. I know you can kind of see that on the camera, but when it boils down to it in real life, you don't even see that at all. So this tub wouldn't even be noticed that it was ever repaired. We saved them like $5,000. So if you have a damage like this, just go to tubrepairco.com. Check out our 3 levels of kits. It's going to cover about any damage you would come across or any damage you might have on your tub. Give us any feedback. Feel free to reach out, 877-234-9882. We're here to help you save your tub and save money. tubrepairco.com. Thanks.